Let's get into it. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. She has the 500 cubic inch 8.2 liter V8, which is the largest displacement engine put in a production vehicle. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Y'all know the Cadillac Eldorados of the 70s are front wheel drive. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in good condition. And she does have the light monitors for your turn signals and high beams. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. And she is automatic latching. She has power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reads a little over 74,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 500 cubic inch 8.2 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, Hydro Boost brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. She's running nice and smooth. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Y'all have a good one.